Let's simplify if possible. Here we have the cubed root of 16x to the fourth minus 2 times the cubed root of 128x to the fourth. To simplify, we'll start by taking as much out of the radicals as possible. Now these are cubed roots, so underneath we're going to look for perfect cube values. 16 isn't a perfect cube, but it can be factored as 8 times 2. 8 is a perfect cube. And let's rewrite that x to the fourth as x to the third times x to the first, so that we can see the perfect cube piece of it. Looking at our second term, 128 isn't a perfect cube, but it does factor as 64 times 2. 64 is a perfect cube. And let's again rewrite x to the fourth as x to the third times x. Now let's proceed by taking as many perfect cube factors out of the radical as possible. The cubed root of 8 is 2. The cubed root of x to the third is x. But underneath the radical, we'll keep the 2 and the x. Looking at our second term, the cubed root of 64 is 4. So that comes out, and remember, as it comes out, this is a string of multiplication, a product. The cubed root of x to the third is x. But here, again, the 2 and the x stay underneath. Continuing by multiplying our 2 times 4 to get 8. Just rewriting everything else. As we look at our two terms, they are alike because they each have the same variable outside the radical to the first power. They each have a cubed root of the same radicand value 2x. And so we can combine these terms. Combining coefficients, 2 minus 8 is a negative 6 times x times the cubed root of 2x. So the simplified form for this expression is a negative 6x times the cubed root of 2x.